All right, YouTube, this is how you get the seal out of your Pelican case. You can take these out, so just get like a little flathead or something, come behind it. I'm doing this because I'm gonna wash the two cases that I have. So I'm gonna wash behind this seal. So you just get that and you can just pull the seal right out. You can wash behind there now. I'm gonna put it back in the same orientation, so note your orientation. All right, so I just have a bucket of plain unscented dish soap and toothbrush, hot water, and I'm just taking the toothbrush to everything. There's a lot of little nooks and crannies, so be thorough. I'm not gonna take the latches or the hinge pins out or the handle out or anything. I'm just gonna get in there with the toothbrush. You know, after it dries, we will lube everything up again with silicone spray. I'll show you that. Sorry about the wind. Just get it nice and clean. I'm gonna rinse it with the hose and then put it out to dry. We're all dry and cleaned up. From my experience, you don't want to use any kind of solvent like isopropyl alcohol even, or any kind of stronger solvent like adhesive cleaner. I haven't tried Goo Gone or like similar orange based products like that, so I don't know about those, because even though it is polypropylene, something about this black, the way they dye it, because polypropylene is naturally it's like white, or it can be even clear. The way they dye it, the solvent will make it light in those spots. It'll make it white. So some polypropylene cases, like Hardig cases, which I have a few, I have taken solvent to, and those don't turn white, at least mine, so don't quote me on that. But I used some solvent to get rid of the glue. So luckily mine didn't have any adhesive for the foam. So if you know of a good adhesive remover for this specific polypropylene, these Pelican cases, let me know, leave a comment. Again, I'll link everything down below. I'll link some cases. If they make seals, I'll link some seals, which we're gonna throw in right now. I'll link some cheap packet toothbrushes or soft brushes and some soap. But we're gonna pop in this seal. Let me just blow it off. Just start in the corner and just push it in. If you need to take a little flathead or a little pry bar or something, or a plastic scraper, any kind of plastic tool or something, just push it in and work it all the way around. I'll show you when it's done. You just try to get it like as flat as possible, you know, prevent it from like twisting in on itself in the groove. The case bearing edge is gonna smush it however it wants to anyway, so give a good test close. It should feel good. Let's lube up the latches and the handle and the rear hinge. All right, so I just have a can of some silicone spray. I pretty much drink this stuff for breakfast, so I'll link this down below. If you've never used it, check it out. It's pretty much the best stuff in the world. These hinges are so stout that it doesn't really need it, but a little bit of lube is worth it. So just get it in there and we'll wipe off the excess. Work it back and forth. Feels great. It does loosen it up a little bit. So I'll just wipe off the excess. Hit the handle. You can tell already that just loosened it up. Just nice and floppy now. Which you may or may not like, but I like it. Got two latches on mine, so I just hit it right in the corners. Not much. And then you hit it on its like little secondary latch mechanism there. Just work that in. Feel right away, it just loosens that up and keep it happy. So I'm gonna do the other side. I just hit the flip over the latch, just little bits. You can hit the end right here. Back part of the hinge. So that's what I do. And get some really nice and clean. Get some nice and greased up. This is a 1450. If it was sticky in the back, it would lift up if it was empty, you know, but it's so nice. I can lift it up. It won't lift off the table. I think it's worth it. It'll keep it happy for a long time. Yeah, I'll put links down below. Check them out. Like I said, this is the 1450. If you want me to make a video just on this, let me know. I'm missing a decal here, so I'm gonna make my own sticker. So look out for that video. I make my own stickers. I'll do a whole video on how to do that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. And leave a comment, like. Thank you. See ya.